Hello guys and welcome back to MicroStrategy Administrations class, and in this video you are going to learn how to create the subscription into MicroStrategies. And before starting these videos guys, just I request you to subscribe this channel and hit the like buttons to get the 5,000 subscribers for us. It's really important for us, and we are providing a complete tutorials on the MicroStrategy AWS course, and that's gonna help you to crack your exams as well as into your professional life as well. So let's go to in this exercise. We are going to create the subscriptions, and based on you, we will create a history list subscriptions in the MicroStrategy these projects, and that's basically going to employ headcount by the reasons reports. And let's take a look how we can use them. So first you need to log in into your developers here, and you need to go to under the administrations. Just go to administrations here, and in under administration you can see the couple of options which are related to only the administrations. And under this administration, just go to uh, uh, system administrations here. Sorry, you need to go to under the configuration manager here, and you can see the couple of options: the database instance, schedules, events, and a lot of options here. So here we are going, let me select this schedule here, and you can see we have a couple of schedules already into my system. That's fine, and I'm just going to click on the new. Uh, Sorry, here it should be here. There's a subscription creation wizards. Yeah, go to the subscription, and that's the subscription creation wizards here. You need to hit the subscriptions wizards here, and from them you need to hit next. And from here you need to choose the reports, which reports you are going to use them. And I'm going to select the first. I need to go to select my sub projects. I'm going to use them, and you can see the choose a delivery type. There are four types of delivery options available: the cache updates, cube refresh, history list, or the mobile. And we are going to use the history list in this video, and click next here. And in this wizard here you need to select your reports. Okay, so I'm just going under my public objects, then it should be the reports here, and under reports there's a subjected area, and then yeah, human resource analysis here. And then as I talked in the starting of the video, we are going to use this, the employee head count, not by country, by region. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to select that one, this reports here. And then you need to click on next, and this is the select options here. And I'm just, you can schedule your options. I am going to books closed options here, uh, these options. And then into click on two here, and that's fine. I'm just going to use this administrator, or if you just want to make the changes, you just need to click on two, and you can use any users here from here. That's going to give you the groups and users. Okay, so you can select any groups here. So I'm fine with this administrator. I'm just leaving it as now. And yeah, you need to hit this run subscription immediately, and then you need to hit next. And in this video, that's going to give you a couple of options to add the advanced options here, reason against the data warehouse, and a couple of other options you have here, like do not create or update matching caches, new schedule report will overwrite older versions, or expired subscription. And if you just want to expire them, so you can do them also. Right, so that's these are the option, and you can select them. Depends on if you just want to send the notifications to an email. So you can go to here, and you can select the email's address, though we don't have any. If you just want to create from this wizards, you have the option, and you need to hit new, and then you are going to hit new the delivery address here, and then you can username any names here and your physical address and their delivery types, right? So you can select these options here to use your delivery 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 options here. So that's your email ID address here. So I'm not going to create any email here. I'm just going to leave it as it is, and just hit next, and you can review your prompt options here. And then I'm just going to click on finish. Okay, so you can see the subscription. That's the subscription which has been created now. And you can see the supply chain report, BlackBerry. Okay, so these all users and these subscription has been created. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm looking into the different one. There's the employee headcount by region. That's the subscription which we have created right now. That's the schedule. That's the books closed. Okay, now let's go to under my administrations and go to uh, here. That's my subscription. Okay, so if you just want to take any history or a history list message also will display, and we can take a look also here. And to see the history list, you need to go to the projects where you have created the subscription. You can see the history list. History 10 has been, it's updated by 10 and now it's 11 here. And you can just refresh and you can see this one. The employee headcount by region that has been created. The user request is completed and it's ready now. So you can see all the history list here when they has been created and use of, when you have whatever history you just want to see, whatever reports or activity you did into the subscriptions, you can see here. So this is the process how you can use and to create the subscriptions. You need to just open your project source, go to your configuration manager, here the subscriptions, and under the subscriptions you have the options to subscriptions creation wizards, and it will give you the four types of the subscriptions. And from here you have the options to cube refresh, cube cache updates, if you are creating any caches, and you can update the caches and history list and a lot of options you have here. If you just want to create any cube refresh, as we have created the cube into our last videos, so you have the options to refresh the cubes. I'm just selecting this project tutorial. I'm going to cube refresh here. I'm just showing you, I'm not going to create, but I'm just showing you here. So, and you need to go to reports, my reports, and this is the cubes which we have created into my last videos. And that's how you can, I'm just showing you how you can create the subscriptions to refresh your cubes. Then go to next, and then it's scheduling, and you can schedule uh, any times, when all the times or any times, that depends. Run the subscriptions immediately, and then hit next. Then you also have the options to subscribe expired and all the same options here. So that's this subscription going to refresh your cube also. So I'm not going to them, but that's the process I just show you. So I hope you understand how you can use the subscription into the MicroStrategy, how you can create them and use for the queues, and as well as to to refresh to refresh your reports. Uh, so this is all about the subscription. Okay, guys, and thank you.